What up, guys? BigBoxBreaks.com. Break number 259 is overfilled, so I'll be doing another credentials box break. I'll have that up on my website. So let's get going. Start with the teams 3 times. Minnesota on top, Wild on the bottom. I'll let you guys take a look at the teams. And now people on the break. Copy and paste, and like all my breaks, I do put this in the description below. So Wild goes to Datsu Breaks, Florida goes to James 903, as well as the Hurricanes. Oilers go to MCOP 46, James 903, you got the Leafs. Scruffo, you got the Jets. Windexter, the Coyotes. Blue Jackets go to Iverson 30. Kings go to MCOP. Tampa Bay goes to Jamie 9699. John Amber 58. You got the Sharks. Predators go to Den's Cards. Canucks go to Jamie 9699. Knights go to Derby Rocks. Hawks go to Iverson 30. Avalanche go to MCOP 46. Wings go to Thomas. Islanders go to Den's Cards. Capitals go to James 903. Devils go to Jamie 9699. Rangers go to Iverson 30. Penguins go to Jack's Collectibles. Flames go to Terry Freddy 192. Canadians go to James 903. Flyers go to Scruff 491. Sabres go to Den's Cards. G-Fast at the Ducks. Bruins is MCOP 46. Derby Rocks, you got the Stars. And Senators go to Jamie 9699. And the fucking Blues go to MCOP 46. So, there are the teams. And always off to the spot to bust the box.
Going. Contenders. Or no, contenders. Credentials. Only 6 packs. Hate the box. Empty. Okay, guys, good luck. Try to determine what's what here. I think I see base on the back. Okay, so base, cards feel kind of weird, base, okay, credential science, rookies, for Vegas, Cody Glass, and we got 2 Ottawa hits, okay. Cody Glass, it's numbered. No. Okay. Okay, well, Joey Decord out of $6.99. Rookie ticket non-auto. And who the hell is this? Rodus Balkers. Ottawa. $9.99, $6.99. Not sure if that's top loader. I'll just save. Oh, pack 1. Pack 2. So base. Max Domi base. Carlson base. And Alex DeBrincat, Chicago, 2 stars. So second star, Alex DeBrincat. And Jacob Middleton, San Jose out of 999. Not bad looking rookie ticket autos, or not autos, or whatever, you know what I mean. Pack 3, halfway there. Still searching for that auto. Ryan O'Reilly. Piece of shit. Seth Jones. Columbus. Patrick Kane base. Drew Doughty base. And we got another stars. Cale Makar. Rookie for stars. And we got a auto. So, where is it? I kind of want to put anything Cale Makar in top loader. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Cale Makar. Not numbered. Kind of cool. And out of 299, knock up High Rose, Detroit Red Wings. This guy's following us. I swear I pulled like 3 of his autos. Okay. Okay, halfway there. There's our auto. Okay. Fucking Billington. Blue base. Base. John Tavares and Rookie Sciences. Who's this? Rasmus Sandin, Toronto, and Dallas Stars. Nick Camino at $9.99. Okay. I guess we got 8 packs. We got 8 packs? I thought we were halfway done back then. I got 4 packs including this one, so that's pretty good. This one feels heavy. It just has that metal. Yeah, it's got metal in it. Of course, it should fit in that regular sleeve. Base. Bergeron base. Credentials, Jack Hughes. Oh no, Jasper Bolquist. Science and... oh, not Doc. Who is this? Who is this again? Kubalik, of course. Kubalik. These are heavy. I know this won't fit in here. Shit. Perfect. Awesome. Kubalik. He's numbered even? Credential medals, no. A nice looking card though. Nice black. Chicago, nice hit. Hawks. Oh, we got a hot dog maybe. Oh, what a box. Heard those are kind of tough to pull. So base. Sciences. Nico Strum, Minnesota. And hot dog. Kind of dumb. Hot dog. Who is this? Who the hell is this? Eyes are shot. Dylan Larkin. Dylan Larkin hot dog. Wings with another hit. Two packs left yet. Nice stuff, actually. Base gets dinged up, but no one cares. Kids don't care at school, if we had school. So base, 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 base. Victor Olofsson, science for Buffalo. And out of $6.99. Yeah, $6.99. Blake Lizotte, Los Angeles. Okay, final pack, guys. Oh, we got another Hawk, red one. Mark Stone base, Stammer base, Toes base, David, first star. Marc-Andre Fleury, Vegas, and Kirby Dach out of 49. No, out of 99. Reds are out of 99. Kirby Dach. Get this in something, too. Kirby Dach. Nice cards. Okay, so now let's go back to the spot to do the random for the free spot in my next break.
Let's do a quick recap here. Our sciences, social sciences. Okay. Our stars, first, second, and I got two firsts. I did put them in a card in case, so. Our rookie tickets. Second cards. And our hits of the box. My car. I found a case for Kublik. Hot dog. The Hawks, and then yeah, and our auto. Hyros. So cool. So 3 more times on the people, and free spot my next break. And like I said, I've got to run to work here, so I figured I'd have this off quick. And I'll post that up on my website, and I'll put the link in the description below. So 3 more times with a free spot in that. 3. Jamie 9699. There you go, guys. So thanks a lot, guys. Check out bigboxbreaks.ucreator.com. Do have OPG Platinum up here. And go from there. So thanks a lot, guys. And I'll try to get these cards out as soon as I can.